Exciting, arresting, pink from Paris with a touch of mischief. Vibrant flattery for lovely lips and hands. Pink from Paris by Cutex. Be first with a new fashion. Pink from Paris lipstick and nail polish by Cutex.
Hey sparkly vixens, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Pinup Monroe, and I do retro hauls, retro tutorials, retro vintage makeup tutorials, hauls, clothing hauls, anything in the retro spectrum. That is the niche on this channel. So if you like, hit like and subscribe, and please turn on the notification bell so you guys get more updates when I upload more videos. I hope you like my video from last month. It was the corset video, the glamorous corset video. I've gotten so many comments on it and likes, and I'm just so happy you guys liked that video. I hope you guys used my code so you guys can get more money off your corset if you decide. Another thing that I would love to thank you guys for is just thank you for sticking by me and just subscribing. Hello out to my new subbies. Thank you for, subscribing. Stay a while. I hope you enjoy my channel and the vintage content I make. So yes, then this next video is going to be about pinup paint. I was so shocked and surprised when I got sent a gift in the mail by the owner of Pinup Paint. She is Latina owned. She's a small business. She is the only retro pinup nail polish and makeup brand I really use. I have it on my nails. I have it on my eyelashes. So you guys know I rock with Pinup Paint the long haul. If you guys want to see my original video, I have it in my channel. Go ahead and go check it out. I'll leave a link down in the description page for that video. So yes, if you guys want to see the new goodies she gave to me, please keep watching. Before we get into it, might I add, I just want to thank her for sending my son crayons. She sent my son some crayons for skin tones, and she sent him some little goodies that he really loves. His slime, his crayons that she made out of hearts is so cute and adorable. I really am just thankful for her as a friend and for her to send these things to us. It means a lot to me, so I thank you so much for doing that. And she also sent a bunch of crayons to my son's school, so thank you so much, Pinup Paint, for just doing that for my son's school and for him and for me. Thank you for supporting me, and thank you for letting me represent your brand. I just love working with you. I love representing your brand, and thank you once again for being a friend. So yes, guys, if you guys want to see this video, please keep watching. Okay, vixens, first let's get started. So let's get on the nail polishes. Now, my girl done sent me so many nail polishes that I don't know which one's my favorite. I love her reds, but I'm like getting into different colors. So she sent me so many. So the first one is called Gloria. And this reminds me of a gold, a yellow mustard gold, but it's called Gloria. And I love the bottles that these come in. I just love her nail polishes and eyeshadows, guys. She sent me so many goodies. I love all her stuff. The next one, it is a glittery one. This is called Mr. T. Now, I noticed that all the names that she picked, they're like retro names, so I think that is so cute. This is like a gold shimmery color, and I really like it. This is how it looks. So it's a gold shimmery color, and I think it is so pretty. And it has gold sparkles all into it. So guys, you cannot go wrong with her shimmers. Now guys, the next one is called Margarita. Now this is like a purple, and it kind of turns into a blue. It has like shimmers of blue and purple into it, if you guys can see it. So you can guys see the color. It just has like purple and blue. It's called Margarita, and this is all hand mixed, guys. So these is all hand pressed, hand mixed. Everything is handmade by her. So she is the queen of her own ship. So I really like that these pinup paints, I just love the names of the names of these pinup paints that she picks. But Margarita, Mr. T, and the other one is like so far are my favorite ones. Now guys, this one is called Norma Jean. It's like a regular nude tan. This is giving me nude tan vibes, so I think this is like a nude tan, but I like this called Norma Jean. I don't know if she has one called Marilyn. I'm gonna look at her website. Guys, I will put everything in the description box below, but she has everything. She has eyeshadows, nail polishes, skincare, everything. She has everything on her website. I just want you guys to check it out and see for yourselves if you're into stuff like this. The next one is called Bonnie. This is a cute pink. It's like a nude pink, but it's called Bonnie. It's so cute. This is how it looks. And guys, I'm gonna do a try on video with this as well, so that it will be a part 2 of this pinup paint series. This one is called Tia, and this one looks like it is like a darker muted purple. This is giving me darker muted, like a plum, a muted plum. I don't know why I'm getting muted plum from this, but this one is called Tia. I like it. It is so pretty. I think that's a new color for me to try. I've never tried that color, but she sent me so many colors to try. It's like I can't decide which one I'm gonna try first, but I like that one. And then this one is called Emmy. And this is giving me like, this reminds me of the last pinup paint I have from her that's red. But this gives me like a burgundy red, and this looks more metal. So this has like a more metal finish to it. So I think you guys will like this one. And the other one she sent me to, guys, is called Pam. So I like that. And this is like a fuchsia color. So this is really pretty. I like this one as well. And this one she sent me is called Teresa. I like this one too. It is giving me, it has like a lot of shimmer. This is giving me pink and some blue iridescent all in there. So you guys is gonna get like a metal color when you put these on. These are really pretty. Guys, don't sleep on pinup paint. It's so pretty. And then this one is a dark purple, and I don't even have this color, and it's called Debbie. And I think you guys will really like this color, so I want y'all to check this out so bad. Do not sleep on this. Now, Vixens, the next thing that she has sent me is her pinup paint oil. It's by Pinup Paint. It is made out of real jojoba oil. Ugh. I don't know why I have a hard time saying that. Is it jojoba or jojoboa? I don't know why I have a hard time saying it, but it's jojoba oil. So this has many benefits of using her oil. I really like it. It does have a shimmer to it, and it comes like this. So you just put it on your hand or wherever you want to put it at, and you just rub it in. And it has many benefits. It keeps your skin soft. I've been using this so far, and my skin has been nice and soft ever since I've been using her oil. So I really like it. I highly recommend this. This has a lot of benefits. Now, Sparkly Vixen, she sent me even more goodies with her eyeshadows. I had fun playing in these. I tested them all out, and they're so beautiful on your eyelids, more in person than they are online. But oh man, she sent me so many goodies. But anyway, this is like a pinkish color. It's so pretty. This is called Inez. And this orange one, it doesn't have a name, but it's like an orange, not orange, it's like a mustard yellow. I'm sorry. This is like a mustard yellow color. Let me see if I can like show you guys the color. Oh guys, this doesn't do it justice. You guys have to see this in person, but these are so pretty. This one is like a white color. This is like a white iridescent color. This is called Turquoise Delight, so I'm assuming it's like a turquoise color, but it's giving me more white, and it has like a hint of shimmer in it. So that's another thing that I like about this one. And then this one is like a fuchsia pink, like a mixture of both. And this is called Dolly. I like this one as well. This really shows up good on caramel skin tones. And then this one right here, this is like more of a plum, a darker plum color. So this is really pretty. And this one is called Emmy. And I think it matches with one of the nail polishes she sent me. This one right here is a gold sparkle, and this is called Mr. T. Yeah, these match with her nail polishes. So the eyeshadows matches with the nail polishes. This one is like oh man, this one, dang, what's that one blue color? This is exactly this blue color. I can't even pronounce the name. It's a certain name for this blue, but this is a berry blue. It's called Berry Blue Bomb. And once again, I love the iridescent packaging she sent these in. But this is called Berry Blue Bomb, and this is so pretty. Dang, there's a certain blue color that it's called, but it's like a muted pale blue. That's what it reminds me of. And then this one right here, this is a darker plum, and this is called Lauren. And I noticed that most of her nail polishes and eyeshadows go together, so you can like match or mix and match with her stuff. This one's a pale like moon blue, so I really like this one. It's iridescent. It's called Bianca, so I like that. And then this one right here is a teal. It's more of a teal powder baby blue. And this one is called Diana. So this is a really pretty one. And guys, once again, you cannot go wrong with her stuff. These are all her eyeshadows and stuff. And I think it's so pretty, guys. You guys have to get her eyeshadows and nail polishes. Alright, Sparkly Vixens, that is it. I hope you like the little goodies that Pinup Paint sent me, and hopefully you can get some goodies for yourself. So yes, guys, if you love more videos like this, please let me know how you feel about them in the comment section below. Hit like and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell once I upload more videos, so you guys can get more updates on my channel. You guys like my channel, so you know, hey, support me, show me some love and support. I show love and support back. And yeah, thank you so much for just liking, subscribing, and showing my page so much love. I love you guys, and I will see you Sparkly Vixens again soon. Bye, dolls.